Okay, we back up for the first question that we're going to create a script that examines a string for the occurrence of a particular letter as you did previously in our videos we did in geographic information systems. If the letter occurs in the text, for example, the letter Z, the string says yes should be printed on to the interactive window. If the letter does not occur in the text, the string no should be printed. So we named the variable is geographic information system. And now I have right here how to position a character in. So we will do my string. So the variable you can call my string or P equals to geographic information system. So we name the result equals to my string dot find G, and then if result equals negative, so the textbook mentioned we don't find it, it's negative, then you say no, else it's yes. So if we find Z, we could not find it, we save it and then no, not interactive window, save it and we run it, click OK, and then it's no. And if it's I, we save it and we run it, then it's yes. There. Okay, we save it again. So that's question 1. And then we're going to look at the second question. The second question said create a list that examines a list of numbers without duplicates. For example, we have a 2, 8, 64, 16, 8, 32, and I put 100. And then we determine the second largest number. The second largest number, we could do 2 ways to do it. So you put a list and you say my list, you remove the greatest one. The max, we remove the max, my list, and then we find the max again. So because we remove the largest one and then we get the one we want. Or you sort it and you find the second largest number and then you print it. So let's just run this real quick and you get 64. And this one too, we can get 64. So if we put another one, it's 88, and this one will be 90. Different list, but give us the same result. Run it. This one will be 90, this one will be 88. There. Alright, that's question 2. Then we will do question 3. So question 3 said that create a list. Not save this interactive window. Where's my question 3? Alright, question 3. We have 2 options. Alright, so the first one is we create a list, my list, and then we make it this, and for number in my list, we do the count. If it's greater than 1, count greater than 1, and then the list provided contains duplicate values. So the count is greater than 1, then we say, and here is not it will be break, else, and then we will have to print result. And we're going to save it and we're going to run and click OK. The list provided contains duplicate value. And if I delete 8 and save again and run and click OK, the list provided contains duplicate value because we do have a 16 and I delete 16 and run it again. The list does not contain duplicate values. So now, and I have 4, 4, 4, and then another 4 again. Save and run again, and it says it will have duplicates number. Alright, so this is for this one, but I still need to know how to do it together. So, here we use the remove number. So my list, we're going to sort it first for number in my list. So we count my list, count number if the count is greater than 1, and we remove the number and we print my list. All right, save and let's run and see. Okay, print the. So addition is to remove the duplicate from the list. So now, if I want to combine them together, I'm going to open a new one. And then I'm going to open the previous one. Alright, so I'm going to copy this. So then if we if result is greater and then else, we print does not contain. And if it contains, can we use else? Alright. We will do it later, so because it's more complicated, just then one step. Alright, so now I'm going to do my list. So my list, we will have everything here. We will put question 4. We will have some cities name here. No, it's the square brackets. So we have Athens, and we have just list a little bit more. Alright, so the first one we have Athens, and then we have a Barcelona, and we have a Cairo, and we have Florence, and we have a Helsinki. Alright, so that's our list. And if we have length, my list, let's run it. This will be question 4. Click OK. And it didn't say anything because unless we type it there, but we will say print len my list. Alright, so we print it. Oh, save and run it. So it will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length is 5. And then we have so close this out. And we can do my list. My list number 2. My list number 2. So 1, 2, it will be Barcelona. So we're going to print my list 2. Save, and then run. There. So, oh, this is 0, 1, and then this is 2. 1 is Barcelona, 2 is Cairo, sorry. And then we have my list 1. So it starts from 1, which will be, it will print Barcelona, Cairo, France, and Helsinki. So we say print my list start from 1. There, and then we will print it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, start from Barcelona. And my list, we're going to do my list and -1. So it starts counting back. It will be Helsinki. So print my list -1. It will be Helsinki. Oh, something wrong. My list. Slit. Alright, my list. Save again. a 9 line. It told me it was 9 line. It will be Helsinki. Perfect. And then we will have a my list. My list indexed. My list, and we dot index. We will put Cairo. Perfect. And we will print my list dot index and Cairo. Save. Run. Run. We had Helsinki and then index Cairo. Cairo is on 0, 1, 2. Alright. And we will put my list POP and with 1. Alright, and then we will print my list POP and then 1. Save, run. There, we have a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my list population. Let's see. My list for we had 4 POP Barcelona. Okay, let's see. F, which one we are on? My list, we have, that's question F. Barcelona. Let's see. It didn't show up anything. Pop 1. Let's run again. Alright. Can I clear? No. Alright, so let's run again. Alright, we have my list. We have 4 things here, and Florence, and then Helsinki, and this is 1, and then it gave us Cairo. And then we will put 1. We'll have to search my list, and if we put sort reverse equals to true, and we're going to print this. I'm going to copy it instead of print. Alright, and click save and run. Alright, it will be none because when we sorted it, reverse. If we reverse it, no results, print. And then if we add append Berlin, we will add Berlin there. Okay. My list append. Put Berlin at the end. Now I'm going to copy this, Control C, print. There.